Welcome back to NZ Tech Channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at what might be DJI's most exciting release yet, the upcoming Mini 5 Pro. This highly anticipated drone has been generating plenty of buzz lately, with new information helping to clear up earlier confusion and mixed reactions. When the first leaks of the Mini 5 Pro surfaced, many drone fans were underwhelmed. The design looked bulkier than expected, featuring large propeller guards that clashed with the sleek and agile aesthetic DJI's Mini drones are known for. This raised concerns about portability and overall appeal. However, it turns out those early images may have simply been prototypes or incomplete units. Shortly after, a low-quality video began making the rounds online, showing a version of the drone without the bulky guards. This sparked speculation, was DJI actually working on a sleeker model all along? As more footage emerged, especially from trusted drone enthusiasts, it became clear that DJI is likely sticking to its compact, travel-friendly design. The familiar folding propellers are still there, which means easy packing and portability are priorities once again. What's even more promising are the hints at improved internal hardware. The updated design seems to include stronger motors and enhanced cooling systems, which would result in better handling, more stability, and improved performance in breezy conditions. DJI appears to be focusing on meaningful upgrades instead of gimmicks. As for the launch, sources now point to an official release date of August 7, 2025, earlier than expected. That gives us just a short window before the Mini 5 Pro makes its grand debut, and it's shaping up to be one of DJI's biggest announcements of the year. Here are some of the standout features we expect to see. Lightweight design. DJI seems committed to keeping the Mini 5 Pro under the 250-gram mark, which has important legal and practical advantages in many countries. Drones under this weight often face fewer restrictions, making them more accessible for travel and casual use. Camera upgrade. One of the most talked about enhancements is the rumored 1-inch CMOS sensor. Compared to previous models, this should offer better low-light performance, richer colors, and crisper detail, perfect for capturing sunrise shots or adventure footage. Advanced obstacle avoidance. There's growing speculation that this model may include LiDAR-assisted sensors, which would provide much more precise object detection. If true, that would make the Mini 5 Pro a standout in its class for intelligent navigation and safety. Extended flight range. Early leaks suggest a massive jump in transmission capability, potentially up to 25 kilometers. That would mean more flexibility for remote shoots and a more stable signal in challenging environments. Smarter subject tracking. Ideal for solo creators and vloggers, the upgraded tracking system is rumored to use more advanced AI. This would allow the drone to follow subjects more accurately while keeping footage smooth and cinematic without constant manual adjustments. Longer battery life. Rumors indicate flight times could reach up to 50 minutes per charge, thanks to a larger battery, possibly 4680 mAh, and support for fast charging. That's a significant improvement over previous models and great news for users who want more airtime between charges. Quieter, more stable flights. With refined motors and cooling systems, the Mini 5 Pro may offer not just better performance, but also quieter operation. That's a welcome upgrade for those filming in urban areas, nature, or any environment where subtlety matters. In addition to these core features, we may also see improved video transmission quality, better HDR capabilities, and new shooting modes like panoramic shots, orbit paths, and time-lapse sequences with smoother transitions. There's even talk of new accessories, modular add-ons like ND filters, upgraded landing gear, and optional propeller guards for those who still prefer extra protection. All signs point to DJI returning to form with a sleek, capable, and travel-friendly drone that builds on everything users loved about its predecessors. The Mini 5 Pro could set a new standard for compact aerial photography, combining power, portability, and smart features in one impressive package. With the official release date fast approaching, drone enthusiasts around the world are counting down the days. Whether you're a seasoned pilot, a traveler with a passion for capturing new perspectives, or simply curious about what modern drone tech can do, the Mini 5 Pro looks like a compelling choice. Until next time, fly safe, stay inspired, and keep exploring new heights.